everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 11th to the 13th of December 2023 on Monday. Vuma is devastated after seeing pictures of Sibongile kanyeke nokwenzo beqabulana. He bans her from returning to Durban. Uvelepi gets a protection order against Uzix after the police convinced her to do so. Petani want to uplift staff morale among the helpers on Tuesday. Ukwenzo is crushed. Gwenzo is crushed, guys, when he learns that Sibongile akasabuyi noma ke ubaba kaSibongile akasafuni ukuthi uSibongile abuyele ke eThekwini, all thanks to his kiss. Sipho is surprised when Uvelepi shows up on his doorstep. The helpers receive a thy message and workers of the month competition starts on Wednesday. Ukwenzo ke ulibangisa exopo with ithemba lokuthi ke uzokwazi ukukhuluma nobaba uVuma ukuthi adedele uSibongile ukuthi ke abuyele eThekwini, but his idea backfires terribly. Velepi decides to forge her life by going out to party with Asanda, unaware that Zex is watching her. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.